loudly.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Viraj. My presentation topic is implementing the audio system using blockchain and making challenges. First of I show my presentation overview. First, I showing a project group, then project motivation, and I will showing introduction of my project. Then lastly, I conclude my project. My project name is decentralized blockchain voting system. Is based on blockchain technology. My group partners is Manpuri, Manas Patil, and others. Start with why I choose this project. This project impact on real world problem can contribute to stand democratic system by automating and enhancing the voting system process. I will ensure that the is great trust and efficiency. Why need for these topics? My project aim is to centralize, secure and centralize voting system to create and in a modern days number of facing challenges election number of facing challenge election department like fraud and inefficiency. And this project we will enhancing the trust of people of electoral process. What motivation me? Blockchain potential to solve real world problem, especially governments capture my interest. Then I innovation this solution. Building secure voting system can strengthen democracy and empower citizens. Next. Problem statement. In a real world, today's showing the various type of problem in voting system. They are very costly and unsecure. Also, lacking transparency. Traditionally, voting system often lack transparency, leading question about their fairness and legitimacy. My project aim is blockchain voting has the potential to demonetization democracy process by making them more secure and transparent or easy to accessible everyone. Next. My reference. Here is the topics which distributed my group partners. Introduction. A decentralized blockchain system using by making to voting system to improve security and automation to automatically count votes and candidate will be related works. In country Estonia, e-voting system are already used. They are implemented the blockchain-based voting system for a national election. Also similar West Virginia blockchain voting pilot. This voting system can be made for military, BSF military for select their elected person. Overview of blockchain technology. What is blockchain? Blockchain basically is a decentralized database system that which used for transaction and storing data. This is the decentralized and they are provide multiple advantages and also disadvantages. Blockchain. We use blockchain, which is give me security and various type of advantages. Features of blockchain. This decentralization is the main key feature of blockchain. It is a decentralized. That means there is no one authority, one organization cannot control properly. Security. Blockchain provides security and security for hackers and leak data. How blockchain works? With start with transaction initialization. A user initializes a transaction by choosing the candidate by giving the code transaction verification. Then phase of transaction verification. They phase verify the transaction by using multiple nodes. Nodes basically is a computer. Block creation. If is properly verified, then create a blocks which is stored in blockchain. Block addition. Then it is a gate. Then adding to the blockchain and contain the hash of the previous block. Also store previous block number in a current block. If a transaction is complete, then storage data is a permanent store and they will not be changed or delayed. Next. System architecture. It is similar to previous topic. It is built for voting for a select a candidate. First of voter authentication, which means then people choose their favorite candidate to the selection. Then ballot submission. The ballot submission is a private voting. They are maintain security and transparency. Then blockchain network. If ballot submission is complete, then blockchain network can store the data and transaction. Then tailing and result. Tailing and result can calculate the odds to the result. Then smart contract. Smart contract is a method to the contract and to the submission of the blockchain network and record will be stored as a permanent. Next. Applications. Government elections also use uh, this technique for international voting diligence. Also, organization decide making use this type of voting for decision making or shareholder voting. Also, academic institution use this technique for choosing a president. Yeah, also facility. Next. Challenges of blockchain learning. There are various type of challenges. I mentioned both of them. Scalability issue. Millions of people can be voting at a time. Then issue will be created. Legal and regulatory challenge. This type of voting also need regulation or laws to permission the conduct the voting. Complexity implementation. Also complex to implement because blockchain is very complex. Cost and resource. It is costly but not high. It is required various type of resource like proper knowledge of blockchain, proper knowledge of voting system. Next, comparison. Traditionally method for blockchain technology. Traditionally method is used in real life example. There are very costly or risky compared to blockchain. Blockchain is secure or secure or transparent or high security to be maintained and protect. They use a consistent mechanism for and hash algorithms like RSA algorithm to encrypt, decrypt the data. Next. Feature and results. In the world, blockchain voting system not using every countries, but various type of countries doing this types of election. In future, explore alternative mechanism to optimize energy efficiency and voting sources. Develop advantages cryptographic techniques like zero knowledge to further enhance order and while maintaining transparency. Next. Conclusion. Blockchain is a distributed, transparent, and immutable and secure technology that has the potential to transform various industries. There is a smart contracts further automate the voting system. There mention references of platform.
In your opinion, are there any challenges to implement this voting system using blockchain instead of traditional voting system in India? Hmm?
Most of polytechnical challenges.
Discuss technical टेक्निकल लूपहोल्स.
In India,
No further challenge. So why we are not going for it?
government not approval.
Government? Huh?
Not approval for this.
Not approved. Why? There must be some reason behind it.
Then is technical.
Hmm?
This is totally technical.
विलास मराठीत सांग. काही अडचण नाही. प्रश्न कळला?
हो.
काय अडचण आहे?
तर ते प्रॉपर रिझन तर नाही माहिती. ते खूप असं टेक्निकली म्हणून त्याला अप्रूव्हल नसेल देत.
काय खूप असं टेक्निकली म्हणजे काय उत्तर झालं का बरं?
नाही म्हणजे त्याला
व्हॉट आर द कन्स्टिट्युएंट्स ऑफ ब्लॉक इन ब्लॉकचेन? ब्लॉक दाखवले ना आर्किटेक्चर, त्याच्यात काय असतं?
त्याच्यात हॅश असतं आणि प्रिव्हियस ब्लॉकचा नंबर असतो जो की कॉम्प्लिकेट असतो.
बरं, अजून काय असतं त्या ब्लॉकमध्ये?
डेटा
कोणत्या स्वरूपाचा डेटा? व्हॉट टाईप ऑफ डेटा? हां, उदाहरण आता तुझं हे घे ना, वोटिंग सिस्टीम. तू बघितलं का हे पेपर बघितलास ना? त्याच्यात काय डेटा दिलेला आहे ब्लॉकचेनमध्ये? दिलेला आहे ना? नाही दिलेला. असं कसं होईल? ही वोटिंग सिस्टीमसाठीच आहे ना, युझिंग ब्लॉकचेन. मग डेटा काहीतरी पाहिजे ना त्या ब्लॉक्समध्ये. काय चॅलेंजेस वाटतात तुला? का नाही होऊ शकत ते? आता तू ते डिस्कस केलं म्हणून तुला विचारलं. ते ट्रॅडिशनल आणि तू दाखवलं ना स्लाईडमध्ये. मग इथेरियम म्हणजे माहिती आहे? काय? करन्सी. बिटकॉईन म्हणजे इथेरियम. लँग्वेज कोणती असते प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज त्याच्यात? आता हे समजा डेव्हलप करायचं ठरवलं, काय त्याच्यात लँग्वेज असेल?
फ्रंट एंडला पायथन
हां.
आणि बॅक एंडला
ब्लॉकचेनची अशी काही भाषा आहे का इम्प्लिमेंटेशनसाठी? भाषेला काय नाव आहे? तिला असा अभ्यास काहीच नाही केलेला बरं का, त्याच्यात दिलेलं आहे सर. मग तरी तो म्हणतो डेटा नाही आहे त्याच्यात, त्याच्यात हे नाही आहे. इथं बेसिकली अजून काहीच वेळ नाही मधलं विचारायचं का ते? रितेश, आस्क युअर क्वेश्चन. For enhancing security in your project, which features of blockchain are you going to use? बरोबर ना? ChatGPT. मग ऐकायला येत होतं का? त्याच्यासाठी इथे येऊन बसलो मी. जे तू त्याला म्हटलं ना ते तुला पण ॲप्लिकेबल आहे. यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल. आवाज आपला तेवढा तरी मोठा पाहिजे, काहीतरी आपण नीट व्यवस्थित बोललं पाहिजे. आन्सर. No. Sanam sir. Which issues? What do you mean by scalability?
There are millions of voters that are going to voting.
Scalability issue. Also, you mentioned about transparency, right? So, मार्क्स पण असेच मिळतील. खूप हलक्यात घेताय तुम्ही हे सगळं.
2-3 एवढे 4 पानाचे पेपर पण मी वाचता आपण बाकीच्या विषयांचा अभ्यास करतच नाही. आणि सेमिनार द्यायचं आहे ॲटलिस्ट ती 2-3 पानं तर वाचूनच किती छोटा पेपर होतो तिथेही नाही झालं.
पीपीटी कसे बनवलं पेपर न बघता पीपीटी बनवलं कशा चॅट
That PPT was interesting, like blockchain. मला वाटलं भरपूर काम केलेलं आहे.
पेपर वेगळा आहे तुमचा पूर्ण
स्लाईड.
हो चॅट जीपीटी किती वेळ लागला पीपीटी बनवायला कॉपी पेस्ट
चॅट जीपीटी
चॅट जीपीटी
हे राहिलं.
सगळी पाहिजे रे. किती एफर्ट्स घेऊन तुमच्यासाठी एवढं चाललंय, काय तुम्ही त्याचा उपयोग म्हणजे
ते
Satisfaction नाही
प्रोजेक्ट
मला
होता
तरी.
सर
हां?
आपल्या एक्सपोमध्ये केकेबाग एक्सपोमध्ये ई वोटिंगचं सेम
हो
युजिंग
का?
ब्लॉकचेन.
हो.
त्यांनी सिक्युरिटी एनहान्स केली
हो ना.
मुंबईची टीम
अच्छा.
आम्ही पाहिलेलं
हो.
खूप सुंदर पद्धतीने केलं. काय नाही पण मला
कसं गेले कोणी?
गेले होते का एक्सपो बघायला? एक कष्ट घेतली आपण.
आता
आम्ही
नका
गेलो
करू.
होतो
जाण्याचं.
तेव्हा